So, I'm going to explain about market positioning. What is market positioning? Positioning is a concept where the marketer will create a perception in the minds of the customer. Now, for example, if you see in this picture, this full gray side, it is the total market that is available in the market. So what are we going to do? We cannot have customers all over. So we will see which target customer has to be uh, found out. Now, what are the customers that will be in our category? That is called as target market. Now, if you see in this picture, the green thing where I have the target market, that is where I will position my products. Okay, so this is called as market positioning. Market positioning is creating a place for your product in the market. Okay, so how will you position the product? You have different competitors in the market. Okay, so what you will do, you will create in the mind, you will try to persuade the customers in such a way that the customers will think that this company product is the best compared to all other competitors. For example, if you see the Nike company, it gives an advertisement like just do it. So that is the tagline. So with this campaign, what does it do? It creates a perception, it creates a thinking in the mind of the customer that this particular brand of shoes is the most best one. So what do the customers think? The customers have a mindset that if I am wearing these shoes and then if I go for walking or jogging or any kind of gym, then I can be in a well maintained position. For example, on the other hand, if you see the competitor of it, it is the Skechers. Skechers tell if you wear this shoe, then you will have comfort, style, and innovation. The kind of shoes that Skechers make, it is more comfort. So this is how these two products they try to create a perception in the mind of the customer that that product is the best product. The next one, they create a USP. USP is unique selling proposition. So, what is this unique selling proposition? It is a way by which your product is being identified in the market. Okay, so what do they do? By unique selling proposition, they will try to attract the customers. Okay, so how do they do? They do by implementing target market strategy and by communication way, that is through advertisement. Now, for example, if you want to see a handbag maker, say it can be a Louis Vuitton or Aldo or Dior. So, what do? They position themselves in the market by telling this is a luxury status. It brings in status for you. So, what do people do? Though, if you go to a normal shop, you might get a bag for 20 dirhams. But people they try to go to a branded company seeing that it will have of good quality and this is of status. Like if you go and see an Alto bag, a small swing bag, it will cost around 130 dirhams. So again, people go and buy that. Okay. Next one, if you see any TV makers or any mobile phone makers, so what do? Any electronics, for in case, they show their innovativeness. They show the edge, the cutting edge of the mobile phones. This is most commonly seen in the advertisements of Samsung, Apple phones. All of these, they tell that it has a cutting edge. It has a wonderful innovations in it. It shows the camera quality, all of this. Okay, so with this, they attract the customer. They create a perception in the mind of the customer in order to position their product. For example, if you see any fast food restaurant, if you are asking for a fast food restaurant, then people would prefer it as a cheaper one, the one which is of more competitive cost. So if you see, there are many kinds of advertisements where you see the KFC bucket, you get a bucket for 20 dirhams, the McDonald's, all of these, they create a perception that they get the best product with the most competitive cost. Okay, what are the different types of positioning strategy? Now, if I want to position my product in the market, I have to create a mindset among the people that my product is the best. So, what will I do? I use different positioning strategies based on attributes. Attributes are characteristics. Okay, now this product, it has this type of characteristics, so which is the best one. Then based on the competitive cost of the product, based on the quality, the high quality of the product, if you see Surf Excel and Ariel or Tide, it tells that their particular detergent is of high quality. Then you talk about the use, that this product, it has a specific use than the competitors. It has a good market positioning in the market by that of the competitors. These are the various ways that they use in order to position the product in the market. So, what are the positioning strategies? Based on the attributes, based on the cost, based on the quality, use and application, and based on the competitors. The next, what we are going to see is positioning process.